Okay, hello boys and girls. We're going to show you how to do the local motor skills. First, you're going to power walk. You're walking fast while pumping your arms. Coach is going to demonstrate. Walking fast, you're not walking slow. Okay, the next one I want you to do is galloping. You put one foot out in front and the back foot never passes the front foot. Galloping. Coach is also going to demonstrate this one. That's galloping. Now we're going to do skipping. You step, hop, right, left. Coach will demonstrate. Now you're going to jog. Jogging is a nice slow run. You're not running as fast as you can, falling down or sliding into each other or into anything. Jogging. Okay, that's it. I want you to do each one of them for about 4 minutes each.
Bye.